Hey folks, MACT here, and I have another video for you, and we are going to be going over the KYB strut bearing mounts for the 2005 Toyota Highlander, and in this case this is the front. So we're going to go ahead and review this KYB part and see what makes it so good and why it will serve us well when we go ahead and do our front strut replacement here later on this 2005 Toyota Highlander. Now this is the KYB suspension mount kit, as they call it, and the part number is SM5423, and it's pretty much the same part number for both sides, but you do need two of them because, hey, you got two struts on the front. So this is the part number. Put that in your memory. And what do we get in here? We get a little bit of information, how to install them and everything. I've done this before, so I'm not going to get too bent out of whack on that. We do have the strut bearing. It's sealed. And I forgot to get anything to open this up. Let's see if we can't rip it apart. Comes with candy. Yep. But does have the bearing zip tied in here, so I guess it doesn't get lost. 3 bolts with nuts attached to it. So you got the zip tie. Keeps this part from falling out right here. This little piece right here. Keeps it right where it's supposed to go. So when you put it in, you know how to put it in, but you got to cut this zip tie. Basically, there's not much to it. There's no cushioning or anything like that. Of course, it goes in this way. These bolts will, of course, be facing up. And then, of course, you got the arrows for the directional as far as which direction you're going to be installing them and putting them in the right alignment, because they are angled. So you will want to make sure you have it in the appropriate position that you need to have it in. But overall, I'm going to say that it's not a real heavy part. Stamped steel, painted powder coat, or whatever it may be. Basic part. You're not going to have much problems with this. I chose KYB because I've had good luck with them as far as their struts. So why not try their strut bearing mounts out and see how those work out too. I do have on another vehicle a set of quick struts that were made by KYB, and so far so good. Not been having any problems with them. So we're going to go ahead and use this as part of our assembly for our strut mounting, and I also have the struts, and I will do a review on those before I install them and assemble everything together. So this is your strut bearing mount, folks, that you need for your 2005 Toyota Highlander. In this case, it's a limited all-wheel drive, and has a V6 in it. So we're going to go ahead and put this in here and get it assembled with the struts here later on. But this is your KYB part, folks. So remember, like, subscribe, MACT Garage, and also MACT Garage on Facebook. Join up there. And remember, my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day. I want you to have a great day too. And Band of One might have some music. Mercy Grill's always got a couple of one-liners for you. And y'all have a great day.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.